The history of sneezing. More than just a tissue. Sneezing was in just a bodily function in the past. It was often seen as a significant event, interpreted as a sign from the gods, or a way to expel evil spirits from the body. The widespread custom of saying, "God bless you," or similar variations in different languages has deep roots in these ancient beliefs. A way to ward off negativity or offer thanks for surviving the forceful expulsion of breath. So next time you sneeze, remember, you're reparticipating in a centuries-old tradition with surprising spiritual and superstitious connections that highlight humanity's long-standing fascination with the body's mysteries.